Printing film positives at home is easier than you might think. All you need is an inkjet printer and some waterproof inkjet film. For this video, I'll be using 11 by 17 inch film and a Canon printer. First, adjust the printer settings to match the film dimensions. Make sure to set it to ultra glossy or something similar for the most opaque print. Next, we can pull up the artwork. I'm using Illustrator. Make sure your artwork is set to 100% true black. I'll go ahead and add some registration marks and hit print. Once you have the print option open, set your file to black and white and change the dimensions to 11 by 17 or tabloid. Then set the feed settings to match your needs. I'll set mine to feed from the rear tray since that's where the film fits into the printer. Then change the media type to photo and quality to best and hit print. Keep in mind that these settings are for a Canon inkjet printer, but don't worry, if you have a different printer or inkjet film, you can always tweak the settings to suit your equipment. These simple steps should help you create some amazing film positives right from your own home.